afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I've lined up some locks that I'm going to be picking in my next videos coming up, and I thought I'd just show them to you and get a thought of what you guys think. The first one here is a 7-pin. It's a 7-pin Scandinavian oval. It's a 7-pin ASA Derma Ruco analog, whatever that's supposed to mean. But I looked it up by the number that's 701 on there, and that's what it says it is. So that's going to be a tough pick. This is going to be the bidding on it. It is 7 pins. This is going to be one of them that I'm going to try picking. This is a 334B45. It's a Lockwood Essa Abloy. I got a couple of Medecos. This is a Medeco. This is a S. What did it say it was? 51S, I believe it is. I might be mistaken on that. I'll look and I'll put more information when I pick it. This one here is a really nice Medeco. I got 2 cores for it. I cannot find a control key to get that out of there, so I'm kind of pissed. I don't know what I did with it, but both these cores go to this lock. I'm going to try picking this, and I got another Medeco here that I'm going to try picking this one. So I'm going to move all this stuff out. This is the way I wish one of you guys can yell through the camera and say which one you want me to pick first, but I'm just gonna pick one, as they say, no pun intended. I'm gonna go with this Medeco. This is again a 51S. This is the bidding on the key. I'm definitely not ready for it. And let us see what we can do. I'll put this here, put this here. I'm going to use another pinning tray. No, I don't need a pinning tray yet. I'm going to need a vise, that's for sure. And everything's going to be not ready. So when you watch the video, you can skip ahead. Some of you guys don't like long videos. That's that. I have got this in there. What I did is I put 2 of these tension wrenches together. I taped it to give it a nice tight fit in here. So that's what I came up with. I got 2 picks that I'm going to be using. I believe this one here, if you can see it, it's got focus. It's got a notch in it. It's meant to pick pins like the Medeco lock. It helps arrange them. And just a normal another pick. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it my best. I picked out a couple hard locks. Let's just get this like this. Get some more light on the subject. I'm gonna have to just turn it just like that. Alright. Get my hand in there. And get this set. Alright. Let us start picking. I don't like the way this is. Let's get this up a little bit. I want my hands to be in the way. Ah, darn it. All right. One feels over. Okay. That felt like it. That felt like it set there. There's 2. Ah, yeah. I felt that go in there. Stay in there. 3. 4. 5. No, it's supposed to have, I'm counting the pin key right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't know. Yeah, that's 1. Got a click out of it too. Trying to move it around. I think that one just set. 3. I don't know about that. 4. Trying to move the pin around. Come on. Yeah, that. Okay. Just got a little click out of that. I believe this is 5. Yeah, there we go. That was nice. I don't feel the 6th one. Go back to beginning. 1 is good. 2 feels good. I think it's good. 3. That feels alright. 4. This cord has got to go. Okay. Is that better? Tell me it didn't stop. Okay. I don't remember what pin I'm on. That feels good. This one's binding. Trying to twist it. Yeah, I got something. I felt something moving the core. I think this is 5. No? Yeah? No? Don't feel anything on 6. Beginning again. One feels good. Two is good now. I felt that set. 3 is good. 4 is definitely hung up. Trying to push it around. Trying to use the end of that hook there on the picks. Trying to get the, there we go. Okay. Move that around. I got a little bit more movement on there. It's 5. That was good. I don't feel anything on 6. That's the beginning. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good now, and I felt something moving my tension wrench. 4. 4 is binding again. There we go. Felt that move for sure. 5. Feels good. A little bit more movement there. I don't feel anything on 6. Go through it again. Definitely 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 either fell down or it's back to being binded. Damn it. Trying to push it around. There we go. Okay. That might have been 6, but I don't know. Alright. I think I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's good. I don't know about 6. Okay, I didn't notice it had a sidebar or not. I need another. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Please let it be going. I got this thing just popped up. Alright, still running. Trying to find the side bar or whatever's holding this. There it is. Yeah! Woo!
That was easy.
Did you see that, Mr.? I keep forgetting you got no eyes, but did you? Oh, never mind. Woo, ladies and gentlemen, my Medeco pick. Oh, I gotta get a joy on this a minute. Oh, yes, indeed. Let me pull this out. Oh, woo! Put this right here for a minute. That was good. Like I said, it's got stamped on it 51S. So I don't know. It's the same core that's well, I don't know. It's the same core as one of these I just showed you. Let's see what I need to get this off. Oh, Larry the cheese. All right, I need a screwdriver. Man, that was good. I'm really happy about that, as you can see. Happiness. Sorry. God, that's a long screw. Come on. God, I hate flatheads. Man. Ooh. Medeco picked. Alright, got that. Turn that. I don't want that sideboard popping out on me. I've learned. You get this in there. Shim. Follower. Sidebar's going to be on this side. Alright. Alright. I got it. No. Just down a little bit. Alright. Well, I'm nervous, man. I don't want to screw this up. Let's get the sidebar out before I drop it. And use those springs. I lost the springs on the last one I did, or one of them. Okay, those got the springs on there. You guys can see the sidebar. I'll take the pins out. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. I have to look closely. I don't know if these got false gates in them or not. You just got a deal on a couple of locks off of eBay. This is one of them. I gotta stop buying locks. Okay. Number 6. Okay, there was nothing in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't feel anything in 6, and there's nothing in 6. How about that? Getting better. It could have been pinned up. No, maybe not. Maybe. Why is it not? That just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't have 6 pins in it, but I'm going to put another pin in there. I'm going to put another pin in there and pick it sometime in the future with 6 pins in it. I knew it felt kind of weird. The key's long enough. I don't know why it would come like this. I guess whoever sold this to me, well, I'm flabbergasted on that one. I mean, I didn't get ripped off or anything. I got a good price on it, but you would expect it to have all its pins in there. All right, let's see what we got on top. Maybe something weird's up here happening. What happened to my shim? There it is. All right. One. Is it standard? Looks like a nice copper spring. Number 2. A spool. And another copper spring. go. Okay. A standard. Another spring, copper spring. Another standard. And, oh, don't shoot on me. I said shoot, not, yeah, okay. That's 4. There shouldn't be another pin in here, but there is. How about that? There's a, oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, yeah, okay, we're good. But let me get the spring. This one's a metal spring, and there's nothing in the 6th chamber. As you can see, nothing in the 6th chamber. Oh, as far as the core, there's no modifications to it at all. No, nothing there. So we got a 5-pin Medeco instead of a 6-pin Medeco, but I done picked it. Whoa! Okay, guys. Even I can't. It's a 22-minute video again. Thanks for watching Thumper's Lockpicking. Man, I appreciate you guys so much coming back and watching me. I got some really good locks coming up. A couple more Medecos, a really nice Lockwood. I'm trying to answer everybody's thing that they wanted me to pick, and I'll promise I'll get to it. If I have the lock, I'll get it, and I'll try picking it. Alright, don't put your picks in anyone else's lock unless you have explicit permission. Thank you again for my subscribers. I love each and every one of you. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.